Welcome. In front of me is a WIKO U Pulse, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. To get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles, and here you'll find the battery toggle. It basically looks exactly like your battery with the percentage. When you tap on it, it will open up and give you the battery saver toggle right here, so you can just turn it on. It turns your navigation bar at the bottom red to signify that it is right now enabled, and also drops down the brightness of your display just a little bit. And that is how you enable it. And when you're done with it and you want to obviously turn it off, you can just find the toggle once again and deselect it, and that's it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.